How to disable two-factor authentication on CoinEx application. Welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to disable 2FA on CoinEx, it is super important to know this is a security-sensitive action, so make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, launch open the CoinEx application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. After you're signed in, go to the upper left corner and tap on the human icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and select Security. Inside the Security tab, go to the very top and you'll see Two-Factor Authentication tab. Go ahead and select the type of two-factor authentication option you want to disable. I just want to unbind my OTP verification from CoinEx. Just tap on that and then click on the Unbind OTP Authenticator. Now click the Continue button. If you want to turn off two-factor authentication, click Continue and then you'll need to go ahead and check your email inbox associated with CoinEx. Click Open the email from CoinEx. Now copy the code that was given to you and get back to CoinEx app, paste in the code. Now go ahead and open up your two-factor authentication app. Since I've enabled Google two-factor authentication with CoinEx, I'm just going to have to open up the Google Authenticator app. Scroll down and tap on the code generated by CoinEx, and now get back to CoinEx application and paste in the code. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to disable the OTP verification. If you have any other 2FAs, you can select them and then disable it by following through the on-screen instruction. So that's how you easily disable two-factor authentication, specifically Google Authenticator, from your CoinEx application. Disabling two-factor authentication reduces your account security. Without it, your account becomes easier to access if password is leaked. You may be more vulnerable to unauthorized login attempts. So only disable if you are setting up a new device, replacing your authenticator, and so on. So that's it. You've learned how to disable two-factor authentication on CoinEx safely. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.